How do I find these unbelievable crypto and stocks? Well, let's take a look. Let's get ready to share here our window so that you can see what we do and how we get information across to people. So now we're taking a look at our Telegram group, which is CeoTrades. You can find it CeoTrades _ the underline on Telegram if you search for it, and you'll find it there. First, I list here what my gains are for the day. Now, these overlap yesterday's gains. I'd say it's in reality, it's probably somewhere in the 6 to 7.5 range, 6,000 to 7,500 range in the last 24 hours. Now, this is where we post our information on investments, likely investments, and how to invest in certain information. Now, here's Merck. Merck spends big on COVID-19 candidate, but ignores its own ivermectin product. Why does it do that? Why? Well, let's take a look in a moment because we have it posted. U.S. will not treat Bitcoin and crypto assets like China, according to Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell stated. This affects crypto. And that's probably why I've made a good 6 to 7.5K in the last 24 hours. That's awesome news. And we post stuff like this regularly. Here's another one. There is a demented war against ivermectin. This is the answer to Merck. There's a demented war against ivermectin. Andrew Kenny, without doubt, ivermectin is safer than the COVID-19 vaccines. That's what Andrew Kenny says. That's not what I say. The question is about its effectiveness against the disease. But also there's another question. How much more of a difference is there in cost between ivermectin and the vaccines? It's a hugely drastic difference. Ivermectin costs pennies while the vaccines cost a few $100, but you don't see that. Only those pharmaceuticals that are involved see the returns. Here's another information. Rich Dad Poor Dad author says biggest crash in world history is coming. Here's his outlook for Bitcoin, silver, and gold. Is it coming? Is this real? I don't know, but people know that they sell fear, and this is selling fear. So Rich Dad and Poor Dad, whatever you're trying to do, whatever you thought about, you're attempting to sell fear. Either people are attempting to sell so that you could buy at a cheaper rate, which is probably right, and that is the goal when you're selling fear. But as you can saw, Bitcoin went up in the last 24 hours, and I'll show you that chart at the end here. Altcoin project backed by Cardano rallies 92% in just 2 weeks, leaving crypto market in the dust. If you want to know more about that information, you can join us on our Telegram group. It's free right now. Eventually, you're going to have to pay for it. I suggest you look in our section on joining for free. U.S. mayor preparing to airdrop $1,000 in Bitcoin to all of his constituents. That's wonderful. Which U.S. mayor, which city? Somewhere it says here, mayor of Cool Valley, Missouri. That's wonderful. $1,000 in Bitcoin spread to his constituents. That's wonderful. Any amount is better than no amount. And he's able to do it that way because it's not actual money. I think they have some sort of stipulation. They can't do it with actual money, but with crypto, it still could be done at least as of what I read on his article there. Coinbase lists Ethereum rival that raised $230 million in massive private token sale. What is that sale? What is that rival to Ethereum? If you want to find out more, why don't you join us so that you get more information? Now, before we go, I just want to show you, what was it that I was going to show you on here? Hold on. Let me just get this. I think it's in here. No, it's not there. Let's check one more place. Let's see. Give me a moment. I'm going to have to share a different screen here because I was not prepared for this. And I believe it's the last one. I have a lot open here. And as you might be aware, many of us have a lot of things going. And what I recommend is that you get things in order so that you can see what's going on. Now, I just want to show you here the Bitcoin price and where it's standing at right now. And you can see Bitcoin had a huge move since yesterday. It was at 41,367, and now it's at 47,964. Guess what I tell people at this point? You have here close to 20%. Shouldn't you cash in? Shouldn't you cash in part of it? This is very important. This is the type of information we share in our Telegram group. If you join us for free now, you have an advantage. Sooner or later, it's going to be paid to be able to get in. You have that choice. This is CeoTrades. If you're looking to double your money account, why don't you invest in your knowledge account so that your money account will grow, multiply. Stay safe, and until the next one, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you.